Hello everyone, I'm Haryanto. Let's talk about Module 8. In today's lesson, we are going to learn business English phrases related to making, scheduling, changing, and canceling appointments.
In the corporate world, professionals regularly meet clients, suppliers, managers, and business partners. Because these people often have busy schedules, it is important to arrange meetings politely and professionally. One common way to request a meeting is by saying, "Can we arrange a meeting?" This phrase is used when you are asking someone for their time. A slightly more polite alternative is, "If possible, I would like to come by and see you." Both expressions show respect for the other person's schedule while clearly stating your intention to meet. After requesting a meeting, the next step is usually to suggest a time or date. You can do this by using expressions such as, "How about Monday?" "Is next Tuesday convenient for you?" or "Would Thursday suit you?" These phrases allow you to propose a meeting time without sounding demanding. You can also include a specific time, for example, "Would Thursday at 5 p.m. suit you?" to make the arrangement clearer. If someone suggests a time and it works for you, you can agree using simple and positive responses. Common expressions include, "That sounds good," "That sounds great," "Thursday would be perfect," or "That's fine." These phrases clearly show acceptance and help the conversation move forward smoothly. However, there may be times when you are unable to accept the proposed time. In business communication, it is important to decline politely rather than saying no directly. You can use expressions such as, "I'm afraid I have another meeting," or "Tuesday seems to be a little difficult." These phrases soften the rejection and help maintain a professional tone. When declining, it is also good practice to suggest an alternative time. For example, you might say, "I would prefer to meet on Friday. Is that okay?" This shows flexibility and consideration for the other person's availability. Sometimes, even after an appointment has been confirmed, unexpected situations may arise and you may need to cancel or reschedule. In such cases, it is important to inform the other person as early as possible and to apologize. You can say, "I'm sorry, something urgent has come up. Can we fix another time?" or "Something has just cropped up, and I won't be able to meet you today." The expressions, "come up," and "cropped up," are commonly used to explain unexpected events in a polite and professional way. By using these expressions appropriately, you can make, change, or cancel appointments while maintaining respect and professionalism. These phrases are extremely useful in the corporate environment and can help ensure smooth and effective business communication. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with another lesson soon. Have a great day.